Apple might have dropped this MacBook in 2024, but it still feels like it's from the future. It has a 14-inch screen that hits the sweet spot, not too big, not too small, and that liquid Retina XDR display is seriously next level. It's bright, super sharp, and makes everything look better than it should. Whether you're editing or just scrolling around, it feels premium. The M4 chip is no joke. Apps open instantly, videos render fast, and it handles heavy stuff like Photoshop or Final Cut like it's nothing. The battery just keeps going too. You can easily get through a full day of work or school and still have plenty left. And yeah, even though it dropped in 2024, this thing's gonna hold up through 2025 and probably 2026 easily. Apple's chips age like fine wine. They stay fast for years, and with how optimized Mac OS is, you're not gonna feel left behind anytime soon. Plus, it's built for Apple Intelligence, so when Apple keeps rolling out new AI features, this laptop's ready for it. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.